DUX has been designing, manufacturing and distributing a wide range of products for over 70 years and has a reputation in the plumbing industry as a supplier of high-quality products that can be relied on to adhere to Australian and New Zealand building standards. DUX has been providing grease converters for commercial environments for over a decade. They are the modern, effective and independently tested solution for dealing with waste from busy kitchens. Fats, oils and grease flush down the drain in commercial and industrial premises, specifically where food is prepared or processed, will cause blockages, overflows, health hazards and costly, inconvenient cleansing operations. Using a natural bacterial solution, DUX Grease Converters by Plumbing Perfection permanently break down fats, oil and grease to water-soluble, environmentally friendly levels. DUX Grease Converters are a unique and innovative patented design that collects sink waste and separates a float layer from water. This float layer is broken down via a process called bioremediation. DUX Actomatic liquid is added to the grease converter via an automatic dosing pump, which is set at specific levels and frequencies. It contains bacterial microorganisms which work on the underside of the float layer, liquefying and consuming the organic waste. DUX Grease Converters have been independently and extensively tested to measure their performance. Influence and effluent samples taken from a high-turnover commercial kitchen were analysed by an independent laboratory. The results prove the effluent leaving the grease converter had decreased 99% in levels of fat, oil, grease and suspended solids. Correct sizing is important, and the DUX Grease Converter brochure features a full range of standard sizes. In addition, custom-made models to suit larger premises and multiple tenancies on the same site are available on request. DUX Grease Converters have been manufactured with treating capacities of up to 11.3 litres per hour. The larger the unit, the better the result will be. To prevent the DUX Grease Converter from being either poorly maintained or used incorrectly, DUX recommend a service agreement to be entered into with Plumbing Perfection, the Australian appointed service agent. Plumbing Perfection is an industry leader in the trade waste sector with a wealth of experience in custom grease traps and wastewater bioremediation. Plumbing Perfection have a team of trained and experienced service personnel that adhere to the recommended protocols, ensuring efficient and cost-effective use of the DUX Grease Converter as well as compliant discharge levels. PP's service contract includes verification of correct installation and usage to ensure warranties, assistance with initial commissioning, verification of correct dosage regimes, dispenser checks and maintenance, hardware condition, internal loading and discharge, pump out requirements, on-site system use and training. This is compiled on Plumbing Perfection's 6-month trade waste service checklist for the customer and lodged with local authorities. For sales and service inquiries, contact the team at Plumbing Perfection today on 1800 088 699. Become a part of the most innovative and environmentally friendly revolution in Australian kitchens since the invention of the knife.